Respected dear children, today we will be discussing again about Ramayana. Valmiki has written the biography of Sri Rama and his close associates in Ramayana. Maybe relatives, maybe those who opposed Rama, maybe his friends. So when we say the word Ramayana, it is Rama Ayana. Ayana means going towards. Uttarayana means sun is going towards north. Uttara Ayanam Uttarayana. Dakshina Ayanam Dakshinayana. Rasa Ayanam Rasayana. Rasa means nutrition. Ayana means going to the body. Here it is to the body. So Rasayana means as micronutrient it is going to the body. Rasayanam. So Ramayana means going towards Sri Rama. And you know, when you are reading Ramayana, in some of the factors you may not be agreeing with Rama or others. You may be saying why Rama did like this, why Lakshmana did like this, why Ravana did like this. The answer for the question is very simple. It's a historical book. Itihasa means iti iha asita iti itihasa. Like this existed here. Like this existed here. Iti iha asita iti itihasa. Epic. Adi Kavyam. It's a historical book. So whatever happened during then, that has been written as such. Valmiki wrote as it happened. So my saying it was not correct, that does not mean anything. Suppose I am telling that Mahatma Gandhi called off the strike after the protesters burned the police station in Chauri Chaura. Mahatma Gandhi stopped that agitation. Suppose I am telling now what Mahatma Gandhi did was wrong. Suppose I am telling what Abraham Lincoln did was wrong. Suppose I am telling you what XYZ has done at that time, it is wrong. But you can say it is wrong or correct, but the fact is very simple. That is what happened during that period. Now our role is not to blindly follow what Rama did or Lakshmana did or Ravana did or Dasharatha did. Our role while learning Ramayana, studying Ramayana, is to understand what is the good in that, what is the bad in that. If it is good, adopt in your life. If it is bad, within a shortest time period you will understand that it is bad. From the experience of that character you will know that those who are doing bad will be suffering. For every bad action there is an equal and opposite bad reaction. So what Rama did, if it is good you take it. What Rama did, if it is not suitable for the 21st century, reject it. What we have to learn, how Ravana behaved, what is the good in him, what are the bad in him. Take the good from him, reject the bad from him. What Kumbhakarna did, what Vibhishana did, what Bali did, what Sugriva did. Analyze the experience of each individual. Few lines. What happened for those who are doing good? What happened for those who are doing bad? What happened for those who are doing good? What happened for those who are doing bad? That you can understand within 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you are reading that or listening the messages. So Ravana did a bad thing even though he was highly intelligent personality. Ravana did not have 10 heads. Nobody will be having 10 heads. but he has got the capacity of 10 heads. Kumbhakarna, half of the year he slept. No. Major part he sat as a lazy man. Bali and Sugriva fought each other. What we have to learn? If two brothers from the same family fought each other, they will be suffering. Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Vibhishana, three type of brothers. Ravana did a wrong thing. He continued to stand in that wrong thing. Kumbhakarna supported the wrong thing. Both of them got perished. But Vibhishana did not support Ravana. So he became the king after the death of Ravana. And he ruled Lanka for a long period. So the experience you will learn in 3 or 4 sentences. Then understand it, adopt in your life. Sita Devi crossed the Lakshmana Rekha. That resulted in the end of her life practically. But we learned, in 1 minute we learned that every individual, whether the CEO of a company, manager of a company, director of a company, or a minister, or an MLA, or an MP, or a king, whatsoever may be your position, whosoever may you be, you should not cross the Lakshmana Rekha. A father should not cross, a mother should not cross, a wife, a husband, a son, daughter. Nobody should cross Lakshmana Rekha. If they cross the Lakshmana Rekha, that will create problem for them. That is what we learned from Sita Devi. Instead of overloading with the spirituality, let the spirituality be there as a small part. Other thing, the management message from Valmiki Ramayana as an itihasa, as a history book, maybe exaggeration may be there, but we have got enough to learn from that. Learn systematically and custommatically. Try to understand more and more from each event, incident. You can get more than 1 point. More than 1 point. So just learn it and practice it. Thus we can move from Asato ma Satgamaya, Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityor ma Amritam Gamaya. By learning the experiences of these people, we can take our mind, body, family, culture, society and nation. Mind, body, family, culture, society and nation, from bad to good, from darkness to light, from a tensionful life to tensionless life. Is it clear to you? So now learn minimum 25 experiences from Ramayana, 25 stories from Mahabharata, plus 25 experiences from Mahabharata, minimum 25 stories from Puranas. You will become a perfect Hindu. And teach to this others also. Whether you are a born Christian or a born Muslim, if you learn all these things, you are a Hindu. So every Indian is a Hindu. Asindo Sindhu Padyandam Yasya Bharata Bhumikaha Matrabhu Pitrabhushchaiva Savai Hindu Riti Smrta. Those who are thinking that the land between Himalayas and Indian Ocean as their motherland, fatherland, holy land, they are known as Hindus. It's unlike other religion. Those who consider Bharat Mata as their Mata, Bharata as their motherland, fatherland, holy land, they are known as Hindus. Some of the Christians in Kerala used to say, I am a Hindu, my Ishta Devata is Jesus Christ. That is your freedom. But a Hindu should not say that. A Christian can say that. Hindus, we have got enough literature here, enough God concepts are here. Why should we go to other gods? Indian originated gods are there. So be a Hindu, learn Indian literature, Hindu literature, worship Hindu gods. That is very good. Pranams to you. Thank you very much.